The Anue 5204 NetTool Optimizer is a solution for small enterprises with primarily 1 gig copper interfaces. It is ideal in the lower speed portions of the network, such as the access layers, or where a large number of 1 gig monitoring tools need access to network traffic. The 5204 features up to 24 RJ45 copper ports supporting 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet, up to 4 SFP 1 gig or 4 RJ45 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet ports, up to 4 additional SFP, SFP Plus, or XFP 1 gig or 10 gig Ethernet ports can be added using Anue 5200 expansion cards, and a 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet management port. The Anue 5204 NetTool Optimizer provides an easy-to-deploy data center solution for small enterprises working with numerous 1 gig monitoring tools and with 1 gig copper interfaces. The Anue 5236 NetTool Optimizer is ideally suited for small to medium-sized enterprises with primarily 10 gig fiber interfaces. This includes the access, distribution, and backbone layers, as well as the server farm and data center environments. The 5236 features up to 20 SFP Plus ports for 10 gig and 1 gig Ethernet, up to 4 RJ45 copper Ethernet ports, a 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet management port, and 4 additional SFP or SFP Plus 1 gig or 10 gig Ethernet ports can be added using Anue 5200 expansion cards. The Anue 5236 NetTool Optimizer provides a data center solution that's easy to deploy while providing visibility and control of your network data. The Anue 5273 NetTool Optimizer is a carrier-class, high-availability network monitoring switch designed for telecommunication and cable service providers. The device is fully NEBS Level 3 certified and addresses the increased bandwidth demands created by rapidly growing mobile and video content traffic. The 5273 features up to 20 SFP Plus ports for 10 gig and 1 gig Ethernet, up to 4 RJ45 copper Ethernet ports, redundant 10, 100, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet management ports, 4 additional SFP or SFP Plus 1 gig or 10 gig Ethernet ports can be added using Anue 5200 expansion cards, redundant hot swappable DC or AC power supplies, front-to-back airflow, local and remote alarm relay support, and a craft interface for emergency out-of-band reset. With the Anue 5273, telecommunication companies, cable service providers, and large data centers can leverage the advanced network monitoring functionality provided by the Anue NetTool Optimizer while taking advantage of full NEBS Level 3 compliance and the highest availability standards in the industry. The Anue 5288 NetTool Optimizer is a high-density 10 gig and the first 40 gig network monitoring switch designed for large enterprise data centers. Its compact 2RU form factor saves valuable data center space and reduces energy costs while delivering uninterrupted network monitoring. The 5288 features a scalable, modular configuration that supports up to 16 40 gig ports, 64 10 gig ports, 64 1 gig fiber ports, or 64 1 gig copper ports. A non-blocking architecture which allows the sharing of traffic from any network access port to any monitoring tool port at full line rate. Front-to-back airflow, redundant management ports, and redundant power supplies. The 5288 NTO provides a flexible and scalable solution that combines 1 gig, 10 gig, and 40 gig interface modules to fit specific monitoring needs. It provides network engineers and IT managers a migration path to move to 40 gig networks while protecting investments in existing 10 gig and 1 gig monitoring and security tools. The Anue NetTool Optimizer Advanced Feature Module operates at full line rate and removes redundant or unwanted data from a data stream before it arrives at a network tool. These features greatly improve network tool bandwidth and allow your current network tools to process data that is encapsulated in protocols that they were not designed to recognize. The advanced features include packet deduplication, which significantly improves tool bandwidth by eliminating redundant data packets generated from tap and span ports. MPLS stripping that enables non-MPLS capable monitoring tools to monitor MPLS data by removing MPLS labels from the packet stream and restoring packets to standard IPv4 or IPv6 packets. Packet trimming, which improves tool bandwidth by trimming all or a portion of the packet payload before the packet arrives at the network tool. This feature is also useful for trimming secure packet information before it can be delivered to tools. The advanced packet processing features help IT organizations improve network monitoring tool performance, accuracy, and efficiency by delivering only the data needed for analysis. The Anue Advanced Feature Module is also fully NEB certified to meet the most stringent requirements of telecommunications and cable service providers. To learn more about the NetTool Optimizer and its features, visit our website at anuesystems.com.